That would be you if you landed on Neptune's surface. In this video, I'm going to be ranking the most horrifying deaths in space. Number 1, Neptune. Neptune has the fastest winds in the entire solar system, clocking in at 1,200 miles per hour. For reference, Earth's strongest tornado ever recorded topped out at 300 miles per hour. The wind hits you at supersonic speeds. Your body doesn't blow away. It gets ripped apart at the molecular level. We're talking about instant human smoothie. But let's say you somehow had a suit strong enough to survive the initial blast. Congratulations. Now you get to experience negative 373 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to freeze nitrogen solid. Your death would be measured in milliseconds. Neptune gets an A on the tier list. Number 2, Io. Io is slightly larger than Earth's moon, and from a distance, it looks pretty cool. Unfortunately, the main color is orange, thanks to the insane amount of sulfur dioxide clouds covering everything. If you didn't know, sulfur dioxide is really bad for you. But that's not the only problem. Io is the most volcanically active place in the entire solar system. Thousands of volcanoes scattered across its surface. It has a massive 202-kilometer diameter lake filled with lava. Don't think you'll be fishing in it anytime soon. Just standing on Io is incredibly dangerous. Hundreds of eruptions every single day turn wherever you are into an instant death zone. These volcanoes are special because they spray acid-laced lava that dissolves you immediately. This isn't like Earth lava, which is more like a warm blanket. These volcanoes have been going off non-stop for billions of years. Io gets a solid B. Number 3, Magnetar. Magnetar is a type of neutron star with an insanely powerful magnetic field. These are the collapsed cores of giant stars left behind after they go supernova. They're considered to have the strongest magnetic fields in the universe, which can be a quadrillion times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. The good news is, if you somehow end up on the surface of one of these things, you don't need to worry about the gamma ray bursts. That's because the insane magnetic field would have already torn apart your atoms at a quantum level way before you even get close to the surface. About 600 miles from Magnetar, the magnetic field becomes so intense that it distorts the electron clouds of your atoms, making it impossible for chemical bonds to form. Your body would dissolve into a cloud of atomic nuclei. Your actual death would be extremely quick, but you'd know way in advance on your way there. As you drift closer and closer, there's probably going to be a lot of screaming. I'm putting Magnetar at A. Number 4, black holes. Black holes are regions in space with gravitational pulls so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. The worst way you can die by this is what's called spaghettification. Yeah, that's the actual scientific term. Scientists looked at one of the most horrifying deaths imaginable and decided to name it after pasta. Here's what happens. As you fall toward a black hole, gravity gets stronger the closer you get. Sounds simple enough, right? Wrong. The gravity pulling on your feet becomes so much stronger than the gravity pulling on your head that you literally get stretched out like a piece of spaghetti. But it's not just a gentle stretch. We're talking about your body being pulled apart molecule by molecule. Your feet are being yanked toward the black hole thousands of times harder than your head. The difference in gravitational force is so extreme that you elongate into a thin stream of atoms. And here's the truly messed up part. You'd be conscious for some of it. Your brain would still be working while your body is being ripped into a string of matter stretching thousands of miles long. You'd feel yourself being torn apart before everything finally goes black. I give this one an S tier. If you enjoy these types of videos, like and subscribe to never miss an upload. Also, comment what videos to cover next.